most innovative use of AI and ML of the year, business. This award will go to an organization that demonstrates a truly industry-leading and ROI-driven use study that brings something new to its users, has enhanced customer experience, improved operational efficiency, or changed business models by developing and deploying AI and machine learning products.
There's nothing in here. I'm just making sure this company's up there as well. So this award for most innovative use of AI, ML of the year, business, goes to IKEA.
Hey!
Thanks so much. We have one from IKEA here, right, to take the award? Okay, you can be two, actually. Oh, that is good. This is the first two double.
Explain.
We're trying to be kind of diverse here, so yes. We have both female and male, and we're just so happy to be taking this for the whole company and the universe of IKEA, and it's mainly to see that we are doing whatever we can to be data-driven and utilizing AI in a way that we do it not only for efficiency and meet the customers in a relevant way, but also doing it for good. So we're standing in as just two representatives, and we're representing hundreds of people that have done good work. So we'll bring that home and wherever home is, and hopefully we'll be able to be humble enough kind of to share that joy with the great work that has been done with so many other people than ourselves.
Yes.
Yes.
And to continue to make the everyday life better for the many people.
Oh, so good. Thank you. Thanks a lot.